Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today's topic is all about audio editing in KwaiCut. In this tutorial, I'll show you step by step how to add an audio file, how to use the KwaiCut music library, how to extract audio from a video, and how to add your own audio or voice recording. So let's get started. First, let's see how to add an audio file. I have started a new project and added a video to the timeline. Just below the video track, you'll see the audio track. From here, you can add audio. You can also add audio from the bottom menu. Tap on the Add Audio icon, and it will open the music library. Here you'll find lots of stock audio. Tap to preview, and once you are satisfied, tap on Use. That's it, your audio is added to the timeline. But you have to remember one thing. If you use KwaiCut stock audio, it may create copyright issues. That's why my suggestion is always use your own or copyright-free audio. Audio editing tools. When you select your audio file, editing tools will appear at the bottom. From here, you can split audio, adjust volume, change speed, expand, add fade in or fade out, and many more. How to split your audio. The split tool is one of the most useful features in KwaiCut. It allows you to cut your audio into smaller segments so you can edit precisely and sync your voiceover perfectly with your video. The first editing tool you will find at the bottom is Split. Using this tool, you can cut or trim your audio clip exactly where you need it. Move the playhead to the point in your timeline where you want to split the audio. This is especially useful for tutorial voiceovers, where timing is important. Tap the split button. Your audio will now be divided into two separate segments at the playhead. After splitting, select any segment you don't need, and either trim it by dragging the edges or delete it entirely. Finally, drag the split segments along the timeline to adjust the timing and make your audio sync smoothly with your video. Pro tip: splitting audio at the right moments keeps your narration clear and professional, making your videos easier to follow. To adjust the volume, first, select your audio clip in the timeline. Then tap on the volume tool from the bottom menu. Here you'll see a slider control. Slide right to make the audio louder. Slide left to reduce the volume. All the way down, and your audio is muted. Denoise option. Right under the volume control, you'll also find the Denoise option. This feature reduces background noise, like wind, traffic, or room echo. To use it, simply toggle on Denoise. KwaiCut will automatically clean up your audio, making voices clearer and reducing unwanted sounds. Use Denoise when recording in noisy environments, but avoid overusing it, because sometimes it can make the audio sound unnatural. Expand. Expand is used to stretch the length of your audio clip. For example, if your background music is shorter than your video, you can expand it to match the full duration. But keep in mind, expanding too much may affect the pitch or quality. Starting point. The starting point tool is used to set when your audio or music should begin. When you tap on starting point, a slider will appear. Simply drag the slider to decide the exact point where the audio should start. For example, if you set the starting point at 3 seconds, your audio will begin from the 3-second mark. That means the first 3 seconds of your audio will be skipped. This is very useful when you want to remove any unwanted intro in a music track, or if you want your background music to sync better with your video. Fade in makes your audio start softly and then rise to full volume. This is perfect for intro music or when you want a voice to enter smoothly. Instead of starting suddenly, it gives your video a clean and professional feel. Fade out lowers your audio slowly until it disappears completely. This is very useful at the end of a video, when you say your closing lines, or when background music needs to finish naturally. Pro tip: always use fade in at the beginning and fade out at the end for polished results. Next is VoiceShift, also called the voice changer. This feature lets you change the style of your voice with just one tap. KwaiCut gives you a few preset voice characters, like deep voice, robot voice, or cartoon style. You simply select a clip, tap on VoiceShift, choose a style, and the effect is applied instantly. Why is this useful? If you want to make your videos funny or entertaining, you can try a cartoon or robotic voice. If you are making story videos, you can use different voices for different characters. Or, if you don't want to use your real voice, you can easily replace it with VoiceShift. Extracting audio from video. Why is this useful? Sometimes you like the background music or dialogue from another video, and you want to reuse it in your new project. Instead of downloading separate files, you can directly extract and save time. Now let's talk about extracting audio from a video. Tap on Add Audio, then go to Import. Under Extract Video, tap on Extract Sound from Videos. Choose a video from your gallery, then tap Extract. Finally, tap Use, and the sound is added to your timeline. Adding your own audio. Finally, let's add your own audio in KwaiCut. Under the Import tab, select Local Audio. From here, browse and choose any music, voice recording, or sound effect from your device. If you select any audio, it will play a preview. Tap on the Use button to add it. Once added, it will appear in the timeline below your video track. This is the best option to avoid copyright issues since you're using your own or copyright-free files. Pro tip: after adding, use tools like split, fade in, out, and starting point to sync it perfectly with your video. So friends, that's how you can add audio. Explore the music library, use editing tools like fade in and fade out, try the voice changer, extract audio from a video, and even add your own custom audio in KwaiCut. Experiment with these features in your projects to make your videos sound more polished and professional. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more tips, tricks, and tutorials on video editing. See you in the next video.